Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to equip USP-S in Counter-Strike 2. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So equipping the USP-S pistol in your CS2 is easy. So the starting silence weapon is only available to counter terrorists or the city players, and it's available from the start of the game. And to add it to your kit, you can follow the steps right here. So you need to either go to your loadout from the main menu. So here's the loadout button, and then or during a match. So look to the left of the knife below your loadout under all items, and just click and drag the USPS icon to the starting pistol. So example here, you just need to drag it out, and after that you need to drag out the SPS icon, the starting pistol slot in your loadout, and it will replace the P2000 in your inventory. So you can then purchase it for about $200 during the buying phase, and you can also go back into your loadout and swap in the P2000 to buy it during a match. So, depending on your playstyle and the playstyle of your squad, you may want to use stealth instead of going loud. So, in these scenarios, the USPS pistol is the ideal fit. Not only does it suppresses sound, making shots harder to hear, but it also reduces recoil. So, it is worth noting that you can swap around other weapons using this method, including the other pistols, the R8 revolver and the CZ75 auto, so both of which go into the other pistols category. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.